Standard third, play to learn. Lesson number 5, dance. Let us discuss about dance in this session. Introduction of the fingers of the hand. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Again we'll see thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Hand gestures, hasta mudras. Flag. This hand gesture is called flag. Trident, showing 3 fingers. Trident. Pick. This is called pick. Offering. Check the gesture. Offering. Fish. You can also make with your hand. Fish. Let us see the action song and what actions we will do in this song. We will check. What does Granny do? Granny roast groundnuts. Action it is roasting. What does Thai do? Look at Thai. Shells the groundnuts. What does Mother do? Mother pounds the groundnuts. Pound, dear, pound. The groundnuts pound. Action here is pounding. Along with groundnuts, the jaggery pound. Along with groundnuts, we will mix now jaggery and together we will pound. Groundnuts and jaggery. We will knead together. Come, let's all make laddus. Kneading. Kneading is also an action and making laddus is also an action. And eat together. Action song based on nature. Now let us see the action song based on nature. Come girls, come girls, come. Under the Prajakta tree. Let's pick flowers. Here the action is girls will pick up the flowers. Come girls, come girls, come. Along with the cuckoo, kokila. Cuckoo means kokila bird. Let's sing songs. Action is singing. Come girls, come girls, come. Along with the blue peacock, let's do a dance. Dance is an action here. Come girls, come girls, come. Along with the frog, a rabbit, let's leap and hop. Frogs leap, rabbits hop. So these are the actions. Come girls, come. Under this mango tree, let's go to sleep. Under this mango tree, we will sleep. Let's go to sleep. So these are the different actions. So with different actions, different body movements and with the different gestures of hands and eyes, we can learn dance. Thank you.